Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 89. MOREUDA. Again, it's MOREUDA. This is pronounced as a 3-syllable word. The first syllable is mo, second syllable is r, and the third syllable is da. Pronounce it with me. MOREUDA. Again, it's MOREUDA. What is the meaning of this word? It is a verb which means to not know or not to know. Again, MOREUDA means not to know. How do we write MOREUDA in Hangul? It is composed of 3 syllables. For the first syllable mo, we need to draw first a myum character followed by an o character. Again, that's myum and o. For the second syllable r, we need to draw first a real character followed by an character. Again, that's real and And then for the last syllable da, we need to draw first a dikat character followed by an a character. Again, that's dikat and a. Again, for mo, it's myum and o. For r, we need real and and for da, we need dikat and a. And then we just need to combine the hangul for each of these 3 syllables to form the hangul of the word MOREUDA. And with that, you've just learned MOREUDA. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 79 to 88. But don't forget our word for today, word number 89, it's MOREUDA. This is a verb which means not to know. The first word for our review is word number 88, it's we, and this is used to ask why. Next word for our review is Joesonghamnida, and this is used to say congratulations on formal settings. Next word is otoke, and this is used to ask how. Next word for our review is otoke, and this is used to say what to do. Next word is odi, and this is used to ask where. Next word for our review is akka. This is an adverb of time which means a while ago today. Next word is tikum. This is another adverb of time which means now. Next word is oje, and this is used to say yesterday. Next word is nail, and this is used to say tomorrow. And the last word for our review is word number 79, it's o늘, which means today. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.